Hello, Divine Souls. Welcome to Shava's Healing. Divinity in me greets divinity in you. Welcome back to our meditation journey. Today, we are going to focus on the Antahkarana symbol, a profound Tibetan symbol that represents the human mind's connection to the divine. This symbol will guide us as we work to release negativity and invite peace into our lives. Before we begin, if you find our content helpful, please consider liking this video, sharing it with others who might benefit, and subscribing to our channel. This support enables us to continue providing these meditative journeys for you. Now, let's begin. Find a quiet place, a space of tranquility. Sit comfortably with your spine upright and relaxed. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in and release. Feel your body grounding down, connecting with the earth beneath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, gently open your eyes and focus on the Antahkarana symbol pulsing on your screen. Allow your gaze to soften, embracing the symbol in its entirety. Notice its square base representing the physical plane, the triangles embodying aspects of the divine, and the vertical line symbolizing the divine energy flowing through us. As you inhale, envision drawing the symbol's divine energy into your being, welcoming wisdom and unity with the universe. As you exhale, imagine any negativity, tension, or worry you are holding on to being released, transforming into soft wisps of smoke, dissipating into the ether. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Visualize this exchange of energy, this divine cycle of positivity in and negativity out, symbolized by the pulsing Antahkaran on your screen. With each breath, allow this symbol to instill a deeper sense of peace within you. Breathe in positivity and breathe out negativity by concentrating on the pulsing symbol on the screen. Continue this cycle and let the Antahkarana symbol guide your journey towards inner peace. Now, gradually begin to draw your attention back to the present moment. Slowly close your eyes. Hold on to this feeling of peace. Hold on to this feeling of peace. Carry it with you as you gently reopen your eyes. Notice the space around you and the tranquility within you. Thank you for joining this meditation journey today. Remember, the power to release negativity and embrace peace resides within you, symbolized by the Anthakaran. If you enjoyed this experience and found it beneficial, please do hit the like button, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more. Your support helps us continue this journey of peace and mindfulness together. Until next time, I wish you love, light, and positivity. Divine blessings.